Hey guys, welcome to another review. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this matcha set. I just recently started getting into drinking matcha and I wanted a good quality matcha set that I can make my matcha with. So I got this one from Amazon. This matcha set includes the Matcha Bowl, of course, with the spout, a Matcha Whisk, and the Matcha Whisk Holder, the bamboo whisk as well, as I said, and the bamboo scoop. So it comes with everything you need. The matcha bowl and the whisk holder are made out of this ceramic, which is very high quality and sturdy. And this is the bamboo whisk, which is a vital reason matcha turns out good or bad. So this whisk in particular, I really appreciated the bamboo quality. And this is the whole matcha set together. You can see everything that it comes with, and right now I'm just opening a new can of matcha for me to be able to give you the best review by actually making a matcha. I also got that matcha from Amazon, and you also need a skill for a good matcha, which this one's also from Amazon. So overall, the first time I used this whole set, I think that it is perfect for a beginner matcha lover like myself. It is very easy to use, and all the things that the matcha set comes with are high quality and they work as they're supposed to work. And I also really like that it is very pretty looking. I love how the bowl has this design. And I also really like the whisk holder because once you use it, you can also hold it there for it to dry, which is very, very convenient. And the whole kit is also very easy to clean. And I've used it for about, I would like to say 2 months now, and I absolutely love it. It has come out to be this really great quality, and I would absolutely recommend it to everyone who's looking to invest in a new matcha kit or is just starting out with matcha and wants to amp up their game by actually doing it in the correct way at home. This set is also great for gifts. I feel like if you give someone this that really likes matcha, nothing better than a homemade matcha. So overall, final thoughts, I think that this set is great quality, works great, looks great, it feels great, very sturdy, and I've tried it out for now 2 months, as I said. And look at the matcha that I'm just going to pour. It was really yummy. I recommend this milk from Oatly as well for your matchas. It is oat milk, and it just turns out really, really good. And I would highly recommend this kit for your matcha.